seriously sweet.
I don't know how I just set that camera up on that rock.
This is my dream rotation. Hudgens, Jet, and a can of beans.
Serious beans.
Very serious beans. Dude, those are spicy. I like them.
Yeah. Mmm. I'm so glad we brought cans of beans.
It's honestly really good. If anybody wants to drink some water,
I would love some. Thank you.
We can shove all the trash into these cans. So today, we proceeded to wake up at 5:30 in the morning after going to bed at 2:30 from packing.
fire.
We drove 7 hours here from Bozeman and then proceeded to hike 10 miles for how many hours?
It was 3.5 on the move. Of continuous movement.
We were moving for 3.5 hours, but it was probably more like 6 or 7. You can eat more. But we are not backpackers. We are rock climbers. We do not know how to pack to backpack. We have like 80 pounds in each of our packs of random crap. I love how much more staged this feels now.
That's not more space.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Yeah, stir that one up. I think they're pretty close.
Oh shit.
Does it need more water?
No, it just looks awesome. Do you have that hot sauce?
No. It leaked everywhere.
Really?
Are we both rice and chicken?
This is rice and chicken, which low-key it's good to eat.
Is that the stroganoff?
Get in here.
Family meal.
Here.
Hot?
Oh, did you get some of that rock?
That's really good.
Which one's better?
Beef.
Yeah.
Really?
I just like the flavor of the beef stroganoff better.
Yeah.
Like, that just tastes like kind of chicken noodle soup. I don't discriminate, I'll eat both.
I'm really curious about the beef stew.
Sounds pretty good.
I was drawing randomly to see what we would eat. I got the beef stew and I put it back.
I didn't put it back, blue.
Reluctant to try it.
Oh, sorry, Hudgens.
It's okay.
There's a few hard pieces in there, just so you know.
It's okay.
What did Garmin say about the weather?
Oh, fuck. I'll do it in a little bit. It usually takes a little while, but we can do it while we're getting ready for bed.
Yeah. I just want to know if we need to put up a rain fly. / protect all of our belongings.
I'm gonna go on a hunch and say no, but probably a good idea to put it on anyways.
That would be cool if it flew off into the...
That's true, actually.
But the stakes are really deep too. But rain. But rain.
Always put rain.
Dude, a storm in the Alpine would be scary.
Yeah. You like the highest thing?
I feel like we're in a decent spot for where we are. Like at least a little better protected.
Did I just hear something? That was him.
I think so. Dude, climbing through that boulder field was probably the sketchiest thing with that giant 80-pound backpack. With how delirious we are.
Yeah. Even just like the talus field with all the like smaller boulders.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, like you just
They're, like,
twist your
wobbly,
ankle.
yeah.
You break your fucking legs so easily. That's all I was thinking about. I was just like, the 8 miles had sucked. Imagine doing it with like a broken leg.
Yeah.
It's gonna be one stinky tent.
For him.
The moment them beans went in my mouth, I knew we're gonna run out of wag bags. Oh no! Gonna have to start reusing wag bags.
Anyone want this last bite? A beef stew.
Let's see.
Get off.
What's all you, Hudgens?
Let's go. Jay, you want any more of this? Come on, come on.
Alright. Yeah, if your chicken says.
Oh. Yeah.
Everyone content?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, 500.
Did I hear something?
Yeah, did you?
Yeah.
Probably just the river. Must have been the wind.
Look over there, Nathan.
What bear's crawling through this boulder field? Hold on. Wow, the stars. 1,080. Plus 140.
Are we leaving the utensils over here?
No. Put them in the thing. Anybody? 1,080 plus 140?
1,220.
Alright, now divide that number by 3.
Like 400 and something.
Yeah, 406.66666.
So I'm pretty sure we probably burned more calories than that today. Oh, well, I guess we had breakfast, so.
Yeah, that breakfast was probably a lot of calories, actually. And then a Cliff Bar,
Apple.
an apple,
A couple goo packets.
and no goo packets for Jet.
Be wary of clothes with stuff on it. Food.
I think I did a pretty good job.
I definitely got some rice in my pants.
Damn it. Alright, let's pack it up.
I'm gonna be sleepy.
Who wants to go to the bear box?
Which one?
Actually, I guess we can leave this together because we'll be using it tomorrow morning. Right? When we eat beef stew for breakfast. Low key, might.
Oh.